Hi guys, today I'm sharing with you the Chi original flat iron. And guys, this is not only a flat iron, you can of course use this for curling, styling, flipping. But why I kind of like this one, because these has my favorite three words when it comes to any kind of heat gadget. So this has the ionic technology, infrared heat is, as well as ceramic, so which makes it like really gentle. So guys, really easy to use, comes with a wire, you just plug it in, you have the on off button here. Also, I think this is very lightweight, has the dual voltage, so of course like works anywhere in the world when you're traveling. Has a quick 30-second heat up time, guys, but I feel it just like gets heat up like really quickly, even before 30 seconds. I think 20 seconds is what it needs, so it's not like something you have to really waste. It adds a little bit of sheen as well. That's the good thing about these ionic technology, curling irons or flat iron, and you feel good that you have like this salon kind of look today. All right guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video.